வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் யூனிட் 5 எஜுகேஷனல் டெவலப்மெண்ட் இன் இந்தியா, book back exercises, question and answer, and general information about the first female teacher of India. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, the word Veda is derived from dash. Option A, Sanskrit. Option B, Latin. Option C, Prakrit. Option D, Pali. The correct answer is option A, Sanskrit. Second one, which of the following was an important center for learning in the ancient period? Option A, Gurukula. Option B, Viharas. Option C, Pali. Option D, all of this. The correct answer is option A, Gurukula. Third one, Nalanda, the oldest university in India, was located in dash. Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Bihar. Option D, Punjab. The correct answer is option C, Bihar. Fourth one, when did the UNESCO, that is United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization, declare Taxila as World Heritage Site? Option A, 1970. Option B, 1975. Option C, 1980. Option D, 1985. The correct answer is option C, 1980. Fifth one, which European country was the first to start modern system of education in India? Option A, British. Option B, Danish. Option C, French. Option D, Portuguese. The correct answer is option D, Portuguese. Sixth one, which of the following Charter Act made a provision for an annual grant 1 lakh rupees for the promotion of education in India? Option A, Charter Act of 1813. Option B, Charter Act of 1833. Option C, Charter Act of 1853. Option D, Charter Act of 1858. The correct answer is option A, Charter Act of 1813. Seventh one, which of the following commission recommended to constitute the University Grants Commission, that is UGC? Option A, Sargent Report 1944. Option B, Radhakrishnan Commission 1948. Option C, Kothari Commission 1964. Option D, National Education Policy 1968. The correct answer is option B, Radhakrishnan Commission 1948. Eighth one, in which year the new education policy was introduced in India? Option A, 1992. Option B, 2009. Option C, 1986. Option D, 1968. The correct answer is option C, 1986. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the word Veda means dash, knowledge. Second, Taxila ruins were discovered by dash, Alexander Cunningham. Third one, dash was the first ruler to establish a madrasa at Delhi, Iltutmish. Fourth one, the new education policy was revised in dash, 1992. Fifth one, dash is a primary vehicle for implementing the provisions of Right to Education Act, that is RTE 2009. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Sixth one, midday meal program was introduced in schools in dash, 1956. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, I Sing, Chinese scholar. Second one, Francis Xavier, University at Cochin. Third one, Wood's Dispatch, Magna Carta of Indian Education. Fourth one, Sarforji II, Saraswati Mahal Library, Tanjavur. Fifth one, Sir Thomas Munro, Western Education in Madras. Fourth Roman letter, state true or false. First one, the writings of Charaka and Sushruta were the sources of learning of medicine. True. Second one, temples were the centers of learning and played an active role in the promotion of knowledge. True. Third one, the Jataka tells us that the kings and the society took an active interest in promoting education. True. Fourth one, women education in India was not prevalent during the medieval period. False, because women education was prevalent during the medieval period. Fifth one, the RMSA, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan scheme was implemented during the 10th 5-year plan. False, because RMSA was implemented during 11th 5-year plan? Fifth Roman letter, consider the following statements and tick the appropriate answer. First one, statement 1. The Nalanda University was founded in 5th century CE. Statement 2. In ancient India, teachers had complete autonomy in all aspects from selection of students to designing their syllabi. Statement 3. In ancient times, the teacher was called Kanakayar. Statement 4. The famous college during the Chola period was Kandalur Salai. Option A, statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option B, statement 2 and 4 are correct. Option C, statement 3 and 4 are correct. Option D, statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. The correct answer is option D, statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Statement 4 is wrong because the famous college during the Pandya period was Kandalur Salai. Second one, find out the correct pair. A. Maktab's Secondary School. B. Macaulay's Minutes of 1835 English Education. C. Operation Blackboard Secondary Education Commission. D. Salabogam Lands were given to temples. The correct pair is option B. Macaulay's Minutes of 1835 English Education. Other three pairs are wrong. Next Roman letter, answer the following in one or two sentences. First one, write about the importance of Gurukulas. Second one, name the most notable universities that evolved in ancient India. Third one, write a note on Taxila. Fourth one, mention the education centers flourished in Chola's period. Fifth one, expand SSA and RMSA. Sixth one, what do you know about RTE? Next Roman letter, answer the following. First one, what were the sources of education in ancient India? Second question, write a paragraph about the education under the British rule. Third one, describe the national policy on education. Fourth one, give a detailed account on education under Cholas. The next Roman letter is higher order thinking question. First one, how does the flagship program of SSA achieve universal elementary education? Mark the following places on the outline map of India. Look at the map. First mark the direction in the right hand top corner. Then mark the educational centers Madurai, Kanji, Tanjavur, Taxila, Vikramasila, Nalanda University. Now let us see about the general information. Do you know who was the first female teacher of India? Yes, the first female teacher of India was Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Jyotirao Phule, born on January 3, 1831 and died on March 10, 1897, was a social reformer who, along with her husband Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, played an important role in improving women's rights in India during the British rule. Savitribai was the first female teacher of the first women's school in India and also considered as the pioneer of modern Marathi poetry. In 1852, she opened a school for untouchable girls. Savitribai Phule was a prominent Indian social reformer, educationist and poet who played an instrumental role in women education and empowerment during the 19th century. She started the first women's school. She was the first one to fight for the right of education for the women and oppressed caste. Education for girls and women in the country was always Savitribai Phule's first priority. She was considered as one of the pioneers of women's education in India during the British rule. She, along with her husband, founded the first women's school in India at Bidivada, Pune in 1848. She fought for women's rights and even for those who were considered untouchables in those times. Our India recently celebrated 189th birth anniversary of the country's first female teacher, Savitribai Phule. She is regarded as the mother of Indian feminism. On March 10, 1998, a stamp was released by the Indian Post to honor Savitribai's contribution. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.